सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 104, 8th chapter, 2nd shloka. Vimuchya mayamaya karyatamiha prashanti maya hyasadihita sadam aham param brahma sada vimuktavat तथा जमेकं द्वयवर्जितं यतः In this Mati Vilapana Prakaranam, Shankaracharya presenting a dialogue between mind and Atma or the Sakshi Chaitanyam. Sakshi Chaitanyam, I the self, called Atma, I have to transact with my, or I have to interact with my own mind. We can call it as appointment with my own mind. Appointment with my own mind. Imagine mind is sitting like in front of me. Just as the boss interview the employee, talking each other. So I the self am talking with the mind. You cannot take it out the mind and keep in front of you. But imagine, keep in front of you and talk with your mind. You have to talk. It looks like a paityakarna. As the mad person, talking without a person in front of me, how can I talk? Mentally you talk. Mentally, with mind you talk. You have to imagine. That is the dialogue here going on. What he want to say, Mati Vilapanam, that mind, he is addressing the mind. Oh mind, you have no individual existence. You have no separate existence without me. I am the substratum, the Sakshi Chaitanyam. Your existence and your activities are all depending upon me alone. Don't try unnecessarily to improve me. You cannot improve me, the Sakshi Chaitanyam. You are false only. Oh mind, you are false only. I am the Satyam. You are doing lot of activities along with Maya. Maya Maya Karyam. The entire Jagat, Manomayam Idam Jagat. So mind alone is doing so many things. Go there and buy this and that, eat this one, see that one, talk with that person, don't talk with this person. Who is doing all these things? Mano Vyaparaha only. Your Vyaparam, business. Your business is not right business. Oh mind, the business what you are doing, your business is not a right business. So stop your business. Stop your business. So mind can be utilized for two purposes. For Laukika Vyavahara business, it can be used. You can study, you can get a job, you can earn money, you can buy a house, you can get this so many things. Through the mind only you are getting everything. Because of your qualification, your mind alone is helping you to get all those things. That is one job of the mind. Another job of the mind is it can work for the Atma Jnanam also. Those who are using the mind only for studies, job, earning money, getting house, getting children, getting family, big family, extending the family, all this is, that is not the primary job of the mind. That is not only the job of the mind. We should know. I am making use of my mind only for the survival of the body. For that I have to acquire so many things. I am using the mind. It's perfectly right. But don't consider that mind job is over. Studies, job, earning money, settling. I am settled now. You are not settled. You are most unsettled. After accomplishing all these things through the mind, you are not a totally accomplished person. There is one more job for the mind. It has to become pure and it has to become Shuddham and it has to help me in the buddhi to get the knowledge, Aham Brahmasmi knowledge. Mind has to work for that. Therefore, Acharya asking, enough of doing that vyapara. Don't try to improve my security, happiness, peace and all by your worldly vyapara. You cannot improve my peace and happiness, security, because I am ever secure, Atma Chaitanyam. I am ever peaceful, Atma Chaitanyam. I am ever happy, Ananda Swarupam, Bimbananda. Care of my Guru Puja talk. I am Bimbananda Swarupam. You cannot bring any improvement in me. Therefore, your activities are not going to work here. Samatta and the Vyaparam business, ellame you can tie. Tie in the sense, don't go too much towards that. And you come and na chonna pechi kelu ani solraru. Listen, what am I saying now? He is addressing his own mind. Now look into the shloka. Vimuchya mayamaya karyam iha. Afterwards full stop. Iha, put a full stop. Mayamaya karyam. Karyatam. That karyam, that activity of yours, you are performing because of Maya. Maya Devi. That Prakriti ityartha, body mind complex Prakriti, with the help of the body which is made out of Maya, Maya Maya Karyatam, that the body is the product of Maya, mind is also product of Maya, and that three gunas, one is that Rajoguna is the cause for this body mind complex. And you are interacting with the world. Karyatam means your activities. Vimuchya, may you reduce or drop those bodily abhimana activities. Deha abhimana activities. Anatma abhimana activities. Vimuchya. Ittana varaku pannadi podum ani solrar. Enough of doing. Give up. Give up. Then what? Then what is my job? If I give up everything, I become unemployed. What can I do? If you ask, I will give you job. Prashantim ayahi. May you come to relaxation. Relax. Prashantim ayahi. A plus ya dhatu. Ayahi. May you come to prashanti. Prashantamai, tension illamale, without any tension. Ayahi. Asad ihitat. Asat ihitat means until today you are going towards anatma activities. Asat means maya karyam. Asat means what? Unreal. Whenever you interact with the world which is made out of Prakriti, that is mithya. In that mithya, unreal activities, asad activities, unreal activities, you are so busy until today. By thinking they are all real. Ihita means activities. Asat means unreal. Asat ihitat, from unreal activities, prashantim ayahi. May you withdraw, may you come out, may you relax. That means what? Don't give reality to the body-mind complex and other body-mind complex. Don't think it is real. Your activities are so real, don't think like that. What you are thinking? Anatma, transaction, podum, enough. People are so busy, You go and see Shankaracharya imagining, he is sitting in the beach and looking at the people and doing so many things. Eating, jumping, dancing, running, playing and talking, so many things they are doing. Even he is watching. People are struggling to be happy so much time. Who is doing that job? Mind alone making them to do that. Be happy and jump. You want to be happy? Eat. Mind is telling. You want to be happy? Go and see that. So many games are also there. No? And the giant wheel. Go to beach, there are so many entertainments. Mind is telling, you want to be happy? Go and eat that sundal. Go and eat this dosai. Go and eat that vadai. Go and eat this pakodi. Mind is telling, you want to be relaxed? Go and take the bath. Advising that person to do this and that. Asat ihitat, from all other unreal activities, prashantim ayahi. May you come out and remain relaxed. Having said that, when? Sada. Sada means all the time. All the time means how is it possible? While doing the actions also, don't think they are real. That is the meaning of sada. If sada nu sonna namakku eppadi vela nadakkum. It is not possible. Acharya says, addressing the mind, don't think your unreal activities are real and don't be tensed, don't be anxious. At the time of doing activities with the indriyasya arthe, understand they are unreal, do in a relaxed manner. That is the advice to the mind. Next, aham param brahma sada. All these activities you are doing for whose sake? For whose sake you are doing? Idi saapidu, adi saapidu, go to this picture, that picture, wear this dress, wear that dress, nice dress. You want to pacify this jiva, this jivatma. Is it not? You want to make this person happy by listening so nice music, by looking at the nice colors, by tasting the so nice food. You want to give me happiness? By so many ways. I am already Ananda Swarupam. You need not do anything for me, Amma. Mind, you need not do anything for me. You take rest. Why? Because aham sada param brahma. I am your supreme Brahman. Are you going to give happiness with pakodi? Pakoda. Okay. Are you going to give happiness with some cinema theater Kavali? Taking me towards pulling me 2,000 rupees ticket. Go. Why? First time you should see. The mind is pulling. I am Param Brahma. Without seeing cinema also I can be relaxed. Don't think that pulling me to that picture and you want to make me happy. I am Sada Param Brahma. Not only that, Vimuktavat. I am ever free. Vimuktavat. Tatha, not only that, Ajam Ekam. I am ever birthless. Ajam. I am one. Ekam. Dvayavarjitam. I am secondless. There is no second thing to limit me. There is no second thing to give me happiness. So Kabali picture is unreal. Asat ihitat prashanti mayahi. Why you are pulling me towards that? Tomorrow something comes, Adi sale, 50% discount. Why you are pulling me that side? I am already happy. There is no second thing to limit me. There is no second thing can cause any atrupti in me. Dvayavarjitam. I am alone is real. Oh mind, you are surviving because of me and you are going to give me ananda. Don't do that. It's addressing the mind. Nama pannano idella. Shankaracharya writing for our sake. We have to do. Up to here we saw in the last class. Here, vimuktavat means swarthe vat pratyaya. Vimuktavat, ever free. Next one. Shloka number 3. Very nice portion for nididhyasanam. Contemplation. Sada cha bhuteshu samosmi kevalah. Yatha chakham sarvagamaksharam shivam. Nirantaram nishkalamakriyam param. Tato namestiha phalam tavehitaihi. Sadacha bhuteshu samaha asmi kevalaha. Here kevalaha means sajatiya vijatiya swagata bheda rahitaha kevalaha. That is the meaning. I am kevalaha means without any second thing. In me there is no raga, dvesha, ichha, sukha, dukkha. Kevalaha. If there is a second thing, sajatiya means internal difference, same species difference. There are no two things. Advaya, dvayavarjitaha, he said. There itself that homogeneous is established. That means sajatiya bheda rahitaha. There is no second chaitanyam or there is no second atma, only one atma. Sajatiya means there is one coconut tree, there is another coconut tree. There is one tiger, there is another tiger. There is one man, human being, there is another human being. So many human beings. Sajati, number are many. Like that, there are many atmas. No. Sajatiya bheda rahitaha. There is a vijatiya bheda, suppose. Vijatiya bheda means jati bheda. In one jati to another jati. Sajatiya bheda means coconut tree is different from mango tree. Human beings, it's a male is different from female. Stri purusha bhedaha. This is called sajatiya bheda. One animal is different from another animal. Deer is also animal, tiger is also animal, but they are different. Even though pasu, they are mrigam, but they are different. Trees also, they are different. Trees are there. Sajatiya bheda. Like that in Atma, there are no bhedas. What about vijatina? Different jati. Mriga jati, pashu jati is different. Pashu jati is different from pakshi jati. Pakshi jati is different from manushya jati. Human beings are different from animal kingdom. Animal kingdom is different from birds kingdom. Kingdom means jati. Birds are different from vriksha jati. That is called vijati. Like that, is there any difference between Atma? This is America Atma, that is India Atma, jati bheda, like that. No. Fortunately or unfortunately, all Atmas are one and the same, but people are fighting each other in the name of caste, religion. How much fighting is going on? International level, national level. International level, religion problem. National level, caste problem. Shankaracharya says, why you are all fighting, beating each other, killing each other? You are all one Atma, Vijatiya, Sajatiya, Bheda, Rahita Atma. If you know, there is Prashanti. These are all done by mind only, no? Stop all those things, activities. Why you are making people to kill each other? Oh mind, prashantim ayahi. Then swagata bheda is there now. Is there internal difference in Atma, like tree has got swagata bheda? Leaves are different from fruits. Fruits are different from roots. Roots are different from branch. Branch is different from trunk. Trunk is different from... So like that, one part difference. Swagata bheda. Internal differences. Because Atma is partless. Niravayavaha. There is no part at all. Therefore, no swagata bheda also. Such a Atma I am. Why you are playing with me unnecessarily? Your all activities are useless. And manasuku chollanu. You have to tell the mind. But we are playing according to the mind. மனசு எப்படி சொல்றதோ அப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கோம். நம்ம சொன்ன பேச்சு மனசு கேட்கணுமா, மனசு சொன்ன பேச்சு நம்ம கேட்கணுமா? If what we say, mind listens, we are safe. Otherwise, we have to suffer. As mind says, if I do, I have to suffer. Look into the shloka. Sada, always, bhuteshu samaha asmi. I am in all living beings uniformly. In one person, big Atma, another person, small Atma. One person, a good Atma, another person, a bad Atma. Samaha asmi. I am uniformly same in everyone. Kevalaha, without any differences. Kevalaha aham asmi. In Atma Bodha, Acharya writes, Ragecha sukha dukkhadi buddhau satyam pravartate sushuptau nasti tannashat tasmad buddhestu natmanaha. All these differences, raga, ichcha, dvesha, all are only in the mind. Mind means buddhi, antahkaranam. Not in me, the Atma. Same thing Lord Krishna also said in Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter. Ichha dvesha sukham dukkham sanghataschetana dhritihi. And the meter where Ichha dvesha sukham dukkham sanghataschetana dhritihi iti kshetram samasena. Krishna says, all belongs to the body only, not to the Atma. They are all savikaram udahratam. They are all modification in the mind. In Atma there are no vikara or modification. In Bhajagovindam also, Lord Shankaracharya says, Maya maya midam akhilam buddhva brahmapadam tvam pravisha viditva. Maya mayam idam sarvam maya mayam. That is what Maya karyam ani chonnar. Maya midam, all your activities are nothing but Maya. What do you mean by Maya? Ya ma sa Maya. What is not there, that is Maya. Swamini, what is not there you are telling? I am seeing everything is there. Experientially, for appearance, everything appears as though, but it is not there really. Here you have experienced a dream. All dream objects, are they exist? Is it not Maya? Similarly, this is also like that. But you are thinking this is real. That is unreal. That is unreal for a person who wakes up. For a waker, it is unreal. Similarly, this is also Maya, unreal, when you wake up to your real nature. That is why, oh mind, I am telling, listen. You are all doing all the asat ihitat. All unreal activities only you are doing. Nammave mudile Swamini. We are not able to accept. I am thinking my son is real, daughter is real, what I am doing, everything is real or real. Anna. Shastra says, unreal or unreal. You say real or real, I will tell you it is unreal or unreal. In the low where na, நம்ம ஊருக்கே சும்மா சொல்றோம், unreal, unreal. Kevalah yatha cha, just like kham sarvagam aksharam shivam nirantaram nishkalam akriyam param tataha. Look into this. See, all in all I am there. How? Just as the space sada, kham means space. Just as yatha, just like kham means akasha. Akasha is so close to Atman, nature. It is also all pervasive. It is also one. It is also akhandaha. But it appears as though divided. Each one square foot. Square foot, it is space you are measuring. Carpet space, square foot. Hall space, pot space, stomach space, mind also there is some space. All this space you are talking, is there any difference in the space? No difference. Like that I am there in all beings, just like space is there in all enclosures. Can you separate the space? So many spaces are there and solved. Similarly, I am also in all enclosures, like space. Kham, sarvagam, like space I am also all pervading. Can you show me a place where there is no space? Can you show me a place where there is no space? Place annale space da. You cannot show a place where there is no space. Place is another name for space. Space is another name for place. So, kelviye tappu. Can you show me a place without space? I will try, Swamini. You should not say I will try. You can never try. Because place is space, space is place. Yatha kham. Just like akasha, I am sarvagam. Sarvagam means all pervading. Aksharam, imperishable. Don't extend the example. Akasha is not imperishable. Akasha has got layam. So sarvagam only you have to take akasha. Aksharam comes, keep akasha aside. Push it. Aksharam, imperishable. Shivam, mangalam. There you need not cry. Okay. Oh mind, you have problem of crying, upset to set up. In me there is no upset. Always Shivam or Mangalam. Dosha rahitaha ityarthaha. Shivam means defect free. Nirdushtam Brahma ahamasmi. Dosha rahitam. Nirantaram. These are all nature of whom? Me. This Sakshi Chaitanyam. Not Brahma. Mela paakakudadu. Somewhere inside the heart, somewhere up. We should not see. It is me. Nirantaram, without gap. Antaram vina. Without gap. Homogeneously I am there. Nishkalam, partless. Nishkriyam, actionless. Who is doing action? I am doing action. Your lower eye is doing, inferior eye, lower eye, body mind complex. Gnata number 1 is doing interaction, not Gnata number 2. Akriyam. Tatah param. Tatah param means Maya param, beyond Maya. Beyond Maya means what? Beyond Tripati, beyond Sattva, Rajas, Tamo gunas. Param means beyond. Param indicates asangaha. Asangaha. Param means don't think upstairs, 4th floor, 5th floor, beyond. Even with the body mind complex, when I am interacting also, they belong to Vyavaharika Satyam, I belong to Paramarthika Satyam. Waker is beyond dreamer or not? How much distant? Waker is beyond from dream objects or not? Is he enjoying any dream objects? Beyond. How many kilometers? Tell me. Kilometers are even an inch. Even a wee bit of gap is also not there for waker and dreamer. But you are saying beyond or not. Similarly, I the Param Brahma Sakshi Chaitanyam am beyond mind. Using the mind I can say I am beyond the mind. Tataha na me asti iha phalam tava ihitaihi. By your activities. Tava ihitaihi means by your activities. Maya karyam. Tava means of that mind. Tava by your ihitaihi means activities. By your activities, tava ihitaihi. Iha in my swarupam. Iha means here in me the Atma Swarupam. In me the Atma Swarupam. Phalam me na asti. Since I am nirantaram, nishkalam, nishkriyam, param, shivam, sarvagam, therefore, tataha. Therefore, all your activities are futile. All your activities are useless. Nee evvala panninalam kuda, all of them are having doshatrayam. So therefore, you don't try to fulfill me, you don't try to give fulfillment to me. I am ever fulfilled. That is what he says. Phalam tava phala. Tava ihitaihi. Iha in me the Atma. Me phalam na asti. There is no use at all. You cannot improve me. You cannot make me better. Because I am already best. You cannot make me better, good, better, best. What you can improve me? You cannot improve me. You cannot decrease me also. Asal you cannot touch me. Manasiki ippudu sollana. Where is the question of depression, oppression, suppression? Once you are carried away by the mind, only problem. Therefore, you have to address your mind. Daily sit, nididhyasanam panni. Ukarandi manassini. Sadasiva Brahmendra, Kirtanas, he addressed mind. Manasa sancharare Brahmani Manasa sancharare. Manasini he is addressing. Oh mind, always move in Brahman. Think about Brahman. Shivam, Sarvagam, Nirantaram, Nishkalam, Nishkriyam, Param, iti Chintanam, Kuru. Manasa sancharare. He manasa sancharare. Re manasa sanchara. May you move. Brahmani. To get that status, Tyagaraja addressed the mind. Oh mind, listen to me. Worship the Lord, Lord Rama. Don't go outside. Don't go here and there. Always think about the Lord so that you can come to know the real nature of the Lord. These are the kirtanas are all addressing their mind only. Manasa, 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 manasa. Manam, so nice it is. Same mind. Manaiva manushyanam karanam bandha mokshayoho. You want to make your mind bandha karanam or moksha karanam is in your hands. If you come to Shastra, it becomes moksha karanam. If you don't come to Shastra and go to only Gabali, Kapali, Kabalio, Pola, Varnano, Adi Satyamani Ninicha, Prayojanamilla. So, Inna Swamini Vare, Kabalio, Sinivana. Whatever current news, I am telling you, anything, Adi sale, Akshara Dhriya, Namake Nari Irke, so many are there. All these, there is no use at all. Bandha karanam. Therefore, phalam me na asti. You cannot improve me. Therefore, by acquiring any amount of money, house, wealth, property, by keeping this body hale and healthy, however much you do, Purnata won't come unless you recognize you are Brahman. Until that time, payanangal mudiyadillai. It will not end up. Next sloka. Number 4. Aham mamaiko na tadanyadishyate तथा न कस्याप्यहमस्म्य संगतः प्यहमस्म्य संगतः असंगरूपोऽहमतो न मे त्वया कृतेन कार्यं तव चाद्वयत्वतः. Same continuation. Aham ekaha, all are same topic, different words. I am ekaha, only one alone. Mama tad anyaha na ishyate, there is nothing other than me. No one belong to me. Mama, no one belong to me. Mama na anyat asti ishyate. No one belong to me. Aham asangaha. No one is belong to me. Tadanyat, you can take it as madanyat also. Madanyat na ishyate tasmat mama iti kopi nasti. Nobody is belong to me. Haihi nai. Irunda dane. They are not there. There is no second one to belong to me. Therefore, there is no one belong to me. Suppose you want to say, I belong to you. You are not there to say, you belong to me. You are not there. Therefore, he says, Tadha, similarly, no one is there belong to me. No one belong to me. Not only that, na kasyapi aham asmi. I am not belong to anyone. I am not belong to anyone. Tatha, similarly, kasyapi aham kasyapi na asmi. I am not belong to anyone. இப்படி சொன்னாலே பயம் பயமா இருக்கும். I belong to you, you belong to me and சொன்னா ஆனந்தமா இருக்கும். If you say like this, I don't belong to anyone, nobody is belong to me, and so solitude, so loneliness. No, I am not afraid of anyone. Asangataha, I am not, fortunately or unfortunately, I cannot I cannot have what? Sangha with anyone. I cannot have sangha. Asanga rupaha aham. Aham asanga rupaha. Yataha aham asanga rupaha. Tataha ataha nami tvaya kritena karyam. Yataha you have to supply. Since yataha, since aham asangaha, I am unanointed, unanointed. I am not attached. I am not having any attachment with anything. Ataha, therefore, asangamato is there. Asangam, asangam, ataha. Ahamataha. Aham plus ataha, ahamataha. We have to split there. Aham, asangaha, asanga rupaha. Rupaha means of the nature of. Nami, in me, tvaya kritena karyam. All your activities are not going to influence me. Oh, the mind, your activities, cheating activities, love, all emotions. All emotions. The mind do lot of drama. தனக்கு தானே பேசும் உள்ள self pity, praising, appreciating, so many dialogues, inner chatterbox. So you are not going to influence me. Podum, I know your nature now. Previously you have made me to play according to your tunes. I played before going to Vedanta class. Now who am I, you know? I am a Vedantic student. You cannot influence me now. That and those days have gone. சொல்லணும் மனசுக்கு சொல்றேனோ சொன்ன நல்லது. त्वया कृतेन, by your activities, कार्यम त्वया कृतेन कार्यम न मे न अस्ति, मे न अस्ति. By your activities, asti you have to supply. After karyam you can put a full stop. Tvaya kritena karyam me nasti. Your activities of buying this thing, that thing, and to make me happy, so many things, pleasing me, moving, making so many other things, they are not going to affect me, influence me. Why? He gives answer. Tava cha advayatvatah. Where are you? Advayatvatah. You are not there separate from me. Ni irundadane. Shankaracharya asking the mind. If you are there only, you can do all those things and you can influence me. First of all, you are not there. Separate from me. Independently, you cannot exist. It's like addressing the reflecting face. You can address your reflect face or not? Can your reflect face improve your face? You can say to your reflect face or not? You can say, oh reflect face, you are not there other than me. Can you say or not? Your mind is also, it's like a reflected face. Chidabhasa. You can tell your mind, oh mind, tava cha advayatvatah. Because you are not there separate from me, I am secondless. Therefore, you, the mind, doesn't exist at all. Really, you doesn't exist. Tava cha advayatvatah. Because you are identical with me. Advayatvatah means identical with me or non-different from me. You are not going to do anything to me. Because you are not separate from me. You are not different from me. What can you do for me? You cannot do anything for me. These words are all important. Advayatvatah tava. You cannot do anything. Because you are non-identical with me. You are not different from me. Therefore, you cannot do anything for me. Next shloka. Shloka number 5. Phale cha hetau cha jano vishaktavan. Hetau cha jano vishaktava. Iti prachintyaahamato vimokshane. Janasya samvadamimam prakluptavan. Swarupatattvartha vibodhakaranam. Addressing the mind is over. Within 4 slokas, mati vilapanam over. Mind dissolved into Atma Swarupam, the false mind. Shankaracharya telling why I am writing this sloka, addressing the mind. He is giving the reason. Look into the shloka. Phale hetau cha janaha vishaktavan. Phalam means sadhyam. To get something, to attain something, that is called phalam. Sadhyam, end, goal, to achieve something. Hetau, sadhane. To achieve something, people are all struggling to use some sadhanam or this sadhanam, this means or that means. Everyone using some means or other to get some end or other, to get some goal or other. Vishaktavan, people are all busy getting this to achieve that, getting something to get that one. Like this, people are busy and changing TV, changing the sofa set, changing the house, changing everything. What not? Changing. Phale hetau cha janaha vishaktavan iti. Because people are busy, people are doing this and that to achieve something, iti prachintya, having done some kalpana, because I want to give solace to people. Really, you people need not struggle to achieve something. You are already Ananda Swarupam. I have just did Kalpana, Prachintya, having thought of this problem of people running over here and there. Prachintya, Aham means Shankaracharya. I am, what I did? Janasya samvadam imam. Janasya, for people's sake, I have done prakliptavan, this kalpana, dialogue, samvada rupena, I have done this kalpana. Because people are struggling to become happy by so many ways unnecessarily. For their sake, I have done this samvadam imam, this dialogue between mind and Sakshi Chaitanya, I have done it. Prakliptavan. Swarupa Tattvartha Vibodha Karanam. For what purpose I have done this? Mati Vilapana Prakaranam. Dialogue between mind and Sakshi Chaitanyam. I have done that. Swarupa Tattvartha Bodha Karanam. Vibodha. To get the knowledge of. This can be the cause. It helps for the knowledge of Tattva Artha Vibodha, to get the knowledge about the reality. Tattva Artha means reality. Reality about one's own Swarupa. Sakshi Chaitanyam is real Swarupam. Mind is only an instrument. Mind is not you. Don't dance according to the tunes of the mind. On the other hand, tame your mind. You restrain your mind, ask your mind to sit and listen to you. For that sake, I have done this kalpana, samvada rupa kalpana, for the knowledge of the reality. I have done kalpana. This is a dialogue like. Next shloka. Shloka number 6. Samvadametam yadi chintayannaraha vimuchyate jnana mahabhayagamat vimukta kamascha tadha janas sadam Charatya shoka sama atmavid sukhim. Just concluding. Yedi, if naraha, yedi, naraha. Naraha means human being. If etam samvadam chintayet. Etam, this samvadam, dialogue between mind and Sakshi Chaitanyam, oneself and one's own mind, between oneself and one's own mind. If they do this samvada, as I have mentioned above slokas, that samvada, if any human being does that, what is the phalam? Vimuchyate ajnana maha bhayagamat. Vimuchyate. That person is free. Free from what? Mahabhayam. Free from great fear. Vimuchyate, free from great fear. That which is going to come in future. Jara bhayam, vyadhi bhayam, marana bhayam. All these bhayams which are going to come. This is Phalasruti. Phalasruti of this chapter. He is free. Then what? Vimukta kamascha tatha. Tatha means when that person remembers or thinks in this manner, address his own mind or her own mind, free from bhayam, then what happens? Vimukta kamascha sada. Sada, all the time, that person is free from binding desires. Never crave for any desire. Just to survive for this body, whatever is required, the person takes. More than that, no any binding desire. Vimukta kamaha cha bhavati. Charati ashokaha, moves without any sorrow. Moves in this world without any sorrow. Free from sorrow. Charati means interacts, moves. Ashokaha, without any sorrow. Samaha atma, with the person who is the knower of sama atma, which is uniform. Atma, with knower of that atma which is uniform in everything, everywhere. Understands. Sukhi bhavati. He remains or she remains happy. What happy? Vishayananda or Vairagyananda or Vidyananda. Upadesha Sahasri, Vidyananda is Sukhi Bhavati. That is the meaning. With this Mati Vilapanam is over. Mati Vilapanam means mind has dissolved into Atma Swarupam. It cannot stand separately. That is the content of this shloka, Phalashruti, and the entire chapter is over. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.